130 pounds limit, super featherweight. Oh, there's a great right hand from Embrado. Smiling some blood. Agad-agad na nagpapakawala ng mga malalakas sa suntok itong si Edito Embrado. Walang Gian Villanueva trying to counter. Sinusubukan makapagsabayan, but referee Oliver Garcia said that's a slip. Mukhang natukuran si Villanueva doon. Body shot from Embrado. Sinusubukan bumawi ni Villanueva, pero ngayon ino-overwhelm siya nito ni Edito Embrado. Body shots from Embrado. And the corner of Gian Villanueva waves the towel, and that means Edito Embrado won by first round TKO. A quick work from the